So the fuse box is in the floor just below here, and it runs up to the ceiling through here, and then you have more lines that run up there, and they go all over the place. And there's one that runs up this wall and goes through. And can you see it there? It's actually wallpapered over. Here it goes under the window curtain thing. And then here, it runs back down. And I think from here, it goes into the kitchen, but I haven't quite figured out where. I'm not quite sure what this wire is for. But there it is. We also have a bit of a pipe sticking out here, which is a bit odd. There's other funny wires in this room. There's a wire that comes out up here. I think it probably drops in through to here, but I'm not exactly sure. But it goes from there, again, all the way around, over to here, which is, okay, I was wrong. I said there was only one outlet. I said there were two outlets, I took one out. There's actually three. This is one of them. Sorry, the light's really funny. It's scary. I'm using it anyway. That's where the power is. The other one, there's a secondary switch for the lights. So you can pull this. You pull this switch from your bed, but it had a wire running over here down to the floor with a socket on it. It was very, very sketchy, so I took it out. And then the other original outlet is in here. This is the bakelite one. I'm planning the routing of the wire to avoid having to cut underneath the radiators because my saw won't get in there. Could you imagine having a sink in your bedroom? Not a toilet, just a sink. This was popular in really old Luxembourgish houses. I've seen it over and over. I've also seen it in German houses. I think it kind of takes the place of when you had a pitcher and a basin in your bedroom. You know, wash your face and hands before you go to sleep, that sort of thing. Well, I hit the water cutting the electrical line. So, but it's going to be a pretty easy fix. For the moment, I have it capped off back here. I think I'm going to remove this pipe further down, but for now, I wanted the water back on. So this is going to be my stepson's room, and I did check with my wife that, you know, we're not going to put a urinal in here. So I'm in my stepdaughter's room, and I'm pulling. There was this wire went along all the way over to the window, and then down to this sketchy plug. And I'm pulling this stuff down, and it's like the weirdest conduit I've ever seen. So there's wires in there, but the conduit itself, I think, is made of lead. I thought that was kind of cool. It's like super soft. I don't know, weird stuff you find, man.
Can I ask you for a hand with this project? Put your hand on the mouse and click the subscribe button, the alarm bell, and the like button. You can also leave a comment or click the share button and share it with your friends. All these things help to tell YouTube's algorithm that this is some quality content and it should be shared with a lot of people. And that would really help.